The past year has been unusual with COVID-19, but now there's some hope for the upcoming months. Multiple vaccines for COVID-19 have been approved for distribution and are now being given to JCPS nurses and teachers.
6 days, our health department got through all of our employees in regards to elementary school. We'll move on next week. It's starting with middle schools, central office, and high schools next week over the next 7 days, and we'll wrap up that first round of vaccinations.
As the distribution in JCPS unfolds, the Park Duval Health Clinic, which has a satellite location in PRP, has started the process of administering the vaccine to vulnerable people in the community. Nurse practitioner Olivia Stivers gives us some insight.
We are expecting to get our vaccines here in this clinic, hopefully soon, but right now what we're doing is a lot of telehealth. So I'll do a telehealth visit for someone who falls in that category. Right now, there's several phases for the vaccine. So we're already in tier 1B, so that's Kentuckians greater than or equal to 70, K through 12 educators, and then first responders. But if they fall into that category, I'll do a telehealth visit with them and get them scheduled with our main site to receive their vaccines. For the faculty and staff here at PRP, if they did not sign up to receive the vaccine through the state health department, they can contact me at a later time. I can do either an in-person visit here in the office, or I can do a telehealth visit.
The vaccine is offered to all teachers and nurses within JCPS, but some will not be receiving the vaccine.
Personally, I have declined the vaccine, and the reason for that is because I have had coronavirus, and I checked serum antibodies for myself, and I was antibody positive, so that indicates some immunity to the virus. I would rather save my vaccine for somebody who is more vulnerable.
As we wait to hear more news on the distribution of the vaccine, the Park Duval Health Clinic is continuing their testing for COVID-19.
The PRP Health Center has adapted to the COVID pandemic by offering rapid tests. We have the ability to check if someone has had an exposure or if they're exhibiting symptoms of COVID-19, they can call and schedule an appointment. We're appointment only. We do a quick visit.
Although not everyone will be receiving the vaccines, it is the hope of the school officials that this next step will bring us back together again in the near future. I am Madison Weis reporting for WPRP.